Welcome to Vedic Maths University. Dear viewers, today is my second video and today is going to be the basic addition of two-digit number and a one-digit number. But before moving ahead, I requested to see my first video where I have explained the concept of carryover numbers, non-carryover numbers and the end numbers. I am sure you will understand it in a better way. So today let's move ahead. And dear viewers, as you know, this is an educational channel. So to better understand about the Vedic maths, I request you to take a pen and paper along with you so that you can solve along with me and then you will get a better results and you will get a confidence to appear for your competitive exams and also for your math subjects. So let's jump in. Dear viewers, I am sure that you will laugh at me after seeing these problems. These are very basic problems. But believe me, these basic problems are the stepping stone for solving your complex maths problems. And if you are a parent or a teacher, this will help you to teach your kids or students in a very simple and easy way. This is a beginner's Vedic maths course, so have patience with you and with me and try to solve along with me with a piece of paper and pen so that you will get a better confidence to solve the next problem. So let's jump in. So let us solve these problems one by one. I have already written some of the problems for you. So let's see how we can solve this. One thing that I want to mention here is that in Vedic maths, we are solving all our problems, whether it is addition or subtraction, multiplication, division, all our problems will be solving it from left direction to the right direction. But in our schools, we are taught to solve all our maths problems from right direction to the left direction. So this is the major difference between the Vedic maths and our school maths. So let us see how we can solve it by Vedic maths. Nothing is here, but before we are writing the answer as 4 over here, see the next number. Check the next number. Add these two numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8 is a non-carryover number. If it is a non-carryover number, then you can write it as it is. So here it will be 4 and 5 plus 3 is 8. If you are getting confusion about the carryover or non-carryover numbers, I request you to click on the iCard to your right side top corner. So you will get the details of what is the carryover number and non-carryover number and also what is the end number. So let us see the next problem. It is also very simple. Before we write answer 3, check for the next number. Here, add these two numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the 9 is a non-carryover number because that is also a single digit. So because that is a non-carryover number, we will write the answer as 3 and this is 7 plus 2 is 9. So let us take more clarity on similar kind of problems. Here, 93 plus 6. So before we write the answer as 9, check for the next digits. So here the addition of these two digits is 3 plus 6 is 9. So this is also a non-carryover number. So the answer we will be getting is 99. Don't worry, you will get clarity as we move ahead. Just be with me and don't get confused. See how I am just solving these methods. Have the concepts clear of what is the carryover number and the non-carryover number and you will get a confidence to solve the next problems. So let's move ahead. So this is the next problem. We will see it. 45 plus 9. So before we write here answer as 4, we need to check for the next digits. Here, add these two digits. What we will get is 5 plus 9 is 14. Now you can see it here. The answer that we are getting 14 is a carryover number. Because that is a carryover number, similarly, we will see these next numbers. 96 plus 9. Now you can see it here. Before we write the 9 here, answer as 9, check for the next number. This terms remains the same for all. So 6 plus 9 is 15 and the answer 15 is a carryover number. And because that is a carryover number, we need to add 1 to this previous number. Previous number of this is the 9. Add 1 to it and that will become 10. And 9 is 15 and the end number of 15 is 5. So the answer of 96 plus 9 is 105. I hope you are getting what I mean to say. Let us move ahead still. We will get more clarity of what is the end number, carryover number and non-carryover number. I once again urge you to see my earlier video. I have already given the link at your top right corner. Go through it and understand the definition of the carryover number and non-carryover number and the end number. That will help you to solve these problems very easily. Here 3 is the answer. Here we will be writing as 3. Before we write the answer as 3, just check for the next number, and addition of these two numbers is 9 plus 7 is 16, and 16 is a carryover number. Because this is a carryover number, add 1 to this previous number. The previous number is 3, so add 1 to it, so it becomes 4. And this becomes 9 plus 7 is 16, and just take the unit digit number, and that is 6. I hope you are getting closer to me. And let us see a few more problems with a carryover examples. This will clarify your doubts. Dear viewers, have patience with me and try to solve along with me. So let's move ahead and take a few more examples of how to solve these problems in a better way and easier way. Let us solve a few more problems and understand the concept of carryover number and the end number. Now 93 plus 7. Here we need to write the answer as here 9, but before writing the answer 9, check for the next digit numbers. The next digit number is 3 plus 7 is 10. Because the answer here is 10, and because this is a carryover number, add 1, just 1 to this 9, the previous number. Adding 1 to this previous number 9 will get here as 10. Dear viewers, this is the next problem we will be solving. See, 93 plus 7. It is a very simple problem for you, but if you are teaching to your kid or a student who is just in 4th or 5th standard, but then you have to explain it very patiently and in a detailed way. Therefore, I am taking this class especially for the students who are in the 5th or 6th standard, and also for the parents who wants to help their kids in their maths problems. So 93 plus 7. So before we write the answer as 9 over here, so check for the next number. The next number addition of these two numbers is 3 and 7 is 10. So 10 is a carryover number. 10 is a carryover number with the 0 as the end number. 0 is the end number over here, and this is a carryover number. So because this is a carryover number, add 1 to this 9. Adding 1 to this 9, we will get as answer 10. And 3 plus 7 is 10, and the end number of 10 is 0. I hope you are getting it, what I mean to say. I am solving here, basically you have to solve this mentally. But because this is a beginner's class, I am helping you out by writing it on the board. 37 plus 07. So here you write it as, before writing 3, again check for the next number. The addition of these two numbers is 7 plus 7 is 14. Because this 14 is a carryover number, just add 1 to this previous number. Adding 1 to this previous number becomes 3 plus 1 is 4. And 7 plus 7 is 14. And check for the end number of this. The end number here is 4. The 4 is the end number, so the answer we will be getting is 44. 57 plus 9. So because 7 and 9 is 16, because this is a carryover number, add 1 to this previous number. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6, and the end number of 7 plus 9 is 16, which is 6 over here. So 6 is the end number, write the end number as 66. I hope you are getting what I mean to say. This is a very simple method. As a parent, as a teacher, you will be seeing this as a difficult one, little bit confused. Don't worry, you be connected with me and you will be solving at different levels of problems in the future. This will help you to teach to your students and the kids in a very simple way. In today's video, I have taken just a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. In my next video, I will be taking the 2 digits and the 2 digits number, and we will be solving it in a strict faster way and the easier way. Dear viewers, subscribe to my channel Vedic Maths University and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification for my next videos. Be connected with me, and if you are having any problem to solve, write in the comment box. Dear viewers, I have given the link of the worksheet in the description box below. Click on the link and download the worksheet and solve it. You will get a confidence to solve such kind of problems in a better way. Just the beginning of this Vedic Maths, and be connected with me. Thank you.